Hey girls, it's Teresa here on Teresa Talks, and I got a few questions in my last video that I'm going to answer in this one. But in this video, as you watch, I'm going to be doing my makeup and just talking away to you. So, yeah. Okay. The reason I'm looking so crazy is I got foundation, concealer, now I'm just like baking. Normally I bake while I put my eyeshadow. But, yeah. My inner corners, I put like this white, and this palette it's almost gonna be a year old, I guess. I got it last year Christmas, and Mama still uses it. This white shade, I love it. It's like, I don't know what it's called. Let me see. It's called Snowball. I love it. It's super cute. Kind of reminds me of the white that comes in the Morphe palette, but I don't know. I feel like this one applies better. So yeah, on my last video I was asked how tall I was. I am 5'4". That's how tall I am, and I wear a size 12 in jeans. I have 2 children. Okay, so that's all I do with this palette. I'm gonna use my Modern Renaissance. If you don't have it, go get it. Yeah, I love this palette. That's you. And grab a fluffy brush and grab Valentine Red. Oh, it's so pretty. Kind of tap it off a little bit. And go in, baby. Okay, it's about how I want it to look. Yeah, I remember talking to you guys about birth control when I wanted to go get my tubes tied. I wasn't able to because Medina told me to wait at least 6 months before surgery. So now that I'm 6 months, that's something that I'm gonna go do, because ain't nobody trying to have kids after a tummy tuck. And if you are, hey, get a girl. But I'm not. Alright, just darken this up a little bit. Like so. I'm gonna try to make it match. Like this. Since my surgery, guys, I don't want to say lost, but I don't have as much support as I did before the surgery. So that's something you might want to talk about, or know about. Not even talk about, just know about it. Okay, so after, I just put that first shade all over my eye, I'm going to grab my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and this one's called Bling Boss. And I'm gonna grab the first color right here in that corner. And first I'm gonna wet my brush. I like to shake it first. I feel like it works better, I don't know. And just spray that up. And yeah. But when you hear people say you're putting your life on the line, you don't really think about it, you know? You're like, it's just surgery, like whatever, it's another thing. But oh my goodness, I was so afraid. Now that I did it, I will definitely do it again if I have to or whatever, but Lord Jesus, no, no, no. We'll try to avoid it at all costs. My fat ass gonna go to the gym more. I don't need to tighten my skin anymore. It would be nice, don't get me wrong, but nobody got time for that. That's it. Try to make it look as even. I'll pick up the same brush that I used with this Valentine Red from my modern Renaissance palette and just kind of buff it and blend it into the sparkly bling bling shadow. Like so. Because this is a red and kind of pinky, underneath right here, I'm not going to use the same color. I'm going to use, it's called Mystic on the same palette, and just kind of, you know, put some shadow underneath my eyes and blend that down. Let me find a little brush here. And this color is called Mystic. Yep. And I think I will just put it down here and blend it. Because I don't want to look sick. Sometimes when you put red or pinks on your eyes, you look like you're dying. That's not cute. Unless that's the look you're going for. But I'm not. Not today. And yes. So again, so much can happen during surgery, and the insurance that you pay for with Medina almost always will never cover it. But you know, that's what insurances do. They're quick to get their money, but never quick to pay out or help out. That's the way I feel. Okay, am I blended? I like it. It's cute. That's it. Then I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade Light, and I'm gonna contour my face a little bit. I like to stick my neck out and kind of shade underneath, so then I get that yes. Sorry, I'm a little weird, but yeah. And this is something different that I do. Instead of doing down the sides, I literally just go straight like that, because then when I put some highlight, I feel like that's enough. I don't need to put too much, you know, and really shape my nose, whatever. Ain't nobody got time for that. Get up in my hairline. Give me my sun-kissed look for the fall. Okay. Then I'm gonna get some blush. And this little blush, oh my god. I lost the sticker in the back to it. I don't know. I don't remember where it's from, sorry guys, but literally it's so pigmented, I just barely tapped that thing. Barely. Barely put some on my brush. And apply. Like so. Okay. Look at it. Look at how I barely touched it. Look at my cheeks. Oh my goodness. But I don't really worry about it, because then I'm gonna grab some powder and put that all over my face and brush off here the white powder that I have underneath my eyes. satisfied with the way that's looking. I'll go back in, you know, some more contour shade and just kind of tighten everything back up again. Just a little, just a little. That's it. Now, look at this, how dusty I am after that powder. Ew. Sorry, girls. For some highlights, I love this highlighter. It's Double Gleam from MAC, and it's so cute. Sometimes I get carried away, but whatever. I'll do something later. Okay, that's it. I'm done with my face. I will spray. Where the fuck was I spraying? That's for my lips. I used a velvet matte from Victoria's Secret. What's the name of this one? What's the name? I don't know. It's a cream lip stain. But, oh, I think it's called Love. I think, I don't know. But that's what I'm using. So this is my eyelashes. I just literally curled them up. I am going to put some falsies on because I just feel like my makeup look always comes out better when I put lashes. So, with an eyelash, without the eyelash, with, oh, that, I don't know. I love it with it though. Okay, my lashes are on. I have not put any eyeliner, and I'm kind of loving the way it looks without it. So, I'm gonna skip eyeliner today. I don't want to look too girl-like, too much of trying. This is the finished look. Super easy. Hope you guys liked it, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.